Hi everyone, it's John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur here. And we have another JMOR review. All right. A few weeks ago, some of you might remember that my Audio-Technica Bluetooth headphones stopped working. And by stop working, I mean that the battery was not achieving maximum capacity. So I've had them for a few years. It was time to move on. I used these puppies every single day. Well, I bought recently the Sennheiser headphones, which are actually the HD450 BT. Comes in a nice little carrying case. All right. I wish they would have given, you know, like a strap around here. They didn't. My other one came in a bag. Pretty nice and compact. All right. Unfold them nice and easily. You can adjust them nice and easily. They're made with pretty durable plastic. Sennheiser, I've had lots of products from them. They make a really good quality product, and they have a great warranty. So you have basically your left and your right. So the way you know you're right is because your right one has all of your controls on it, and you'd always put that over your right ear. So if you look right here, you have different buttons. Over here you have your microphone. That's a pretty sensitive microphone. I'll talk about that in a second. Then you also have a jack here where you can plug it directly into your 1/8 inch audio jack from your CD player or any other entertainment system. Here you have your connection for your USB-C. You have your volume, all right? And then you have your ability to like traverse through, so you can go fast forward or you could rewind. So that's what this lever does in regard to, let's say if you're using your iTunes and you wanted to skip a song, you could do that. Over here is the power button. You know that because there's a little small power indicator. So I'm gonna hold this button, I'm gonna put it close to my chest where my microphone is, and I'm gonna let you hear what happens. Holding it. So right now you can just hear what she said, right? And then on your phone, you're gonna see the first time you do it, you'll see the HD450 BT in your Bluetooth. Just touch on that, and she'll say connected. And then when you're done with the phone, all you do using your wireless Bluetooth, you just come up here, touch it again for the 2 seconds, and she goes power off. The thing that's neat about it is that it automatically connects back to your phone when you turn it off and you turn it back on. And you actually can tell when it's in the little traversing mode of the red and blue, that actually means that it's trying to pair. And then you can just go to your phone and tap it and it will actually connect. If you hold it more than the 2 seconds, the phone goes into pairing mode. So it is a little sensitive about going into repair mode, but pretty easy to use. So how does it work? All right, so once the device is paired, basically put it on your, take off my hat. All right, and now I have it on me. And so let's say I wanted to go to, I don't know, I'm gonna go to one of my songs, or maybe I wanted to go watch a JMOR YouTube video. How about that? And so having a good Wi-Fi device is crucial. Now, I don't use this when I'm in the car. I have Bluetooth built into my car. But whether you're walking, jogging, or doing other types of sports activities, it's really essential to have a good wireless Bluetooth headset. Now you're probably gonna say to me, John, yeah, I don't wanna spend more than 20 bucks. Well, then this probably isn't for you. This device usually lists for around 200 bucks. I bought it for about $139 plus tax. And Sennheiser makes a really good quality product. Again, it's not gonna be something that you're gonna get for, you know, $5, but it is quality. And so right now I'm watching a video, and I gotta tell you, the sound quality is great. And if somebody was here in the room, it actually has noise canceling technology. So whoever's around me won't actually cause any interference to my listening pleasure. Now, here's one thing I want to share with you. When you go to make a phone call, which I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go ahead and make a phone call. You'll hear the touch tones in your ear if you have your switch here on sound. If it's on silent, then you won't. I'll go ahead and just make a call. Now, when I make the call, this is the only thing I'm not crazy about. The microphone is extremely sensitive, very clear. It's like if you were in the corner of the room and you dropped a pebble or even a needle, I would hear every precious thing. Great for seniors that might want a device that could literally amplify. Now, the great thing is that when I was talking to people on the phone and I made a joke, I said, hey, sorry for all the extra noise. What extra noise? They didn't hear all the extra little touches and taps that I was doing. They didn't hear that. Now, I know why Sennheiser's doing this, because I've owned a lot of their products. They're doing it because it's part of their noise canceling technology. So when you're listening to sound, they don't do it. But when you're on a phone call, because they're opening the mic, they're opening that mic to such a sensitive degree that it could be a little bit annoying. I wish that was a little bit adjustable. It's not. So on a scale of 1 to 10, before I give that to you, it has a lot of great features. One of the great features you get is you get the charging cord in there, which is handy. I didn't show that to you. And you also get, it comes in the package, you get a little mini 1/8 to 1/8 inch connector. And they really were smart, because they gave you one here that has the little 90-degree. So this way, you can plug it in and it's not just hanging out. And then you have one that goes straight in, like if you're going to plug it into the device itself. So let's say you want to plug in one maybe to the headphones and it fits flat. So it's good when I can plug this one into my computer or other device. It also comes with a quick start guide, and it's a pretty nice case that you get. All in all, I like it. Now, there's some other great things that I do like about this product. So my other product was right around roughly 20, 25 hours. I believe that was about what it was. You have the voice assistant access, so you can actually not only get help when it's paired and let you know what's going on, so a lot of the cheaper ones don't do that. What I like about this is that you have that ability, and you also can talk to Siri or your Android device by holding the button down, so that's nice. But what I really love about it is that it has a 30-hour battery life. Really cool. I'm gonna give this set of headphones, I'm gonna give it an 8.5, because I would have liked to see a little more flexibility in the adjustments. I'm John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur. Give the video a like, thumbs up, hit that bell notification icon to see future videos, share it out to your friends, colleagues, and associates, and then click on that link below and help our team so that we can buy some other great technology to inspire you and try out things. Hey, if you have an unboxing you want us to do, visit JMOR.com and let us unbox a product. You'll have to send it to us and donate it to us, but we're gonna give you the truth about the product. I'm John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur, and I invite you to check out the Sennheiser HD450 BT. I don't believe you're gonna be disappointed. Have yourself a great rest of your day.